Hi, this is Cole. As an ECE coordinator, I am very excited about this UOI assembly. Why? Because for our ECE learners, the UOI assembly is a meaningful way to reflect on and celebrate their learning. Through inquiry, exploration, and play, children share their ideas, questions, and discovery in a fun and age-appropriate way. It helps them build confidence, communicate with each other, and understand that learning can happen anywhere, especially when we share and learn as a community.
Hello everyone, I'm Miss Neha, Pre-K2's homeroom teacher. Here at CIS Foshan, we value UOI learning, and the children have UOI lessons almost every afternoon. In this animal unit, the children have explored how animals look, move, and live through stories, movement, art, sensory play, and hands-on inquiry. These experiences have helped them develop curiosity, observation skills, communication, empathy, and also build the learner profile attributes of being caring, knowledgeable, and principled learners.
Hello, I'm Ryan, Pre-K3 of homeroom teachers. The UOI Assembly is a time for the students to share and reflect on what they have learned about community helpers. Through taking on different roles, they show their understanding, confidence, and motivation, and connect the learning to real-life experiences in the community. This also helps them to become more caring, knowledgeable, and communicative learners.
Hello everyone, I'm Johnry. UOI is very important because it helps them understand themselves and the world around them. For example, in our recent UOI, the children have been learning to understand their bodies, minds, and emotions. Through calm down strategies, breathing exercises, and daily affirmations, they are learning how to manage their feelings and take care of themselves.